President Akufo Addo on Wednesday afternoon met with the 14 opposition political parties demanding presidential term limits in Togo at the Flagstaff House. The meeting was to report on progress made so far in the ongoing dialogue aimed at restoring peace in Togo and also build contact for a lasting solution to the Togo political crisis.
President Akufo Addo has been a mediator in the political crisis in Togo after weeks of protest against President Faure Gnassingbé. The Accra meeting comes weeks after the 14 parties decided to suspend all forms of protest and demonstrations aimed at forcing President Faure Gnassingbé to step down. This agreement was reached after meeting President Akufo Addo and representatives of the government and other opposition parties in Lome, Togo.
Understanding by Madam Brigitte Ajamako, expressing certain concerns and positions that you had taken. And I felt that really with the way things were moving, developing, if the mediation role that I am with the limited possibilities at my disposal I'm undertaking, at least we shouldn't contemplate a long period of absence and of contact between each other to see how we can advance the cause of peace and a satisfactory settlement of the political crisis that your country has been undergoing in these last months.
To President Akufo Addo, the peace of Togo is paramount, and members must sit at a common table to share ideas on how to find lasting solutions to political crisis in that country.
The need for us to continue to keep the door of dialogue open is extremely important. I don't believe that responsible people like you are looking for the inflammation of tension or the confrontation in your country that will bring a protracted crisis and difficulties. I'm being very persuaded by the discussions that we've had so far of your determination to find a peaceful resolution of the crisis in Togo. And I'm hoping that that spirit will continues to animate you. That is, on the basis of that, we will continue to talk and make concessions and compromises that have to be made, not just by you, but your principal adversary, in quote, the government in Togo, so that the peace, the freedom and the security of the Togolese people are attained.
This is the first time President Akufo Addo is meeting the 14 political parties in Ghana, but he is optimistic that with cooperation of all the members of the political divide, a lasting solution can be found to the political impasse in